welcome to my channel. Let's get right into it. Right now I am drawing my line at the bottom of the tights where I want to cut, so it's not going to be too tight and that way they can stack. Hey guys, once you made your mark of where you want where you're going to cut, you're going to lay your tights flat out, smooth it out, get your scissors and cut. You can enjoy this clip. I'm not going to be talking much in this voiceover. I'm just going to tell you what you need to know and let the music play. Also, once you've cut one side, you're going to do the same thing to the other side and just flip over the tights so it's the same. Once you finish cutting, you're going to take the leggings you're going to use to stack and you're going to lay them down, stick the other ones to the side. Now what I'm doing here is I'm going to be figuring out where I want to cut at the top of the leggings to see how far down I want them or how long I want them to be. Now once you've got both your end pieces, you're going to take both of the end pieces and turn them inside out. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to line the seam of the bottom piece and we're going to line it up with the seam of the inside of the tights so that way it lines up. And once you've lined it up, you're going to slide it onto the legging, your top piece. You're going to slide the bottom piece onto the top piece. I'm going to show you here in a minute. And here I'm just taking some of my pins and pinning the pieces together so that that way they don't move. Okay, once we're all done, we're going to move over to the sewing machine. Okay, now that we're at the sewing machine, what we're going to do now is we're going to take the end piece, the tights that we put together, and we are going to sew it together. What I'm doing now is I'm making sure that I have all my thread together. I already put it through the needle. All I need to do now is just start sewing. The stitch that I use zigzag stitch because it still needs to stretch. If you use a straight stitch, it would not stretch. I don't recommend using a straight stitch.
Jimmy on the track, so you know it's lit.
Bye, bubble boy. Bye, bubble boy. Bye, bubble boy.
Okay, once you finish sewing, you're going to take your scissors and cut off all the excess thread, and you're going to do the same thing to the other pants leg. Also, here's a view of my stitching and how it came out. Now that I have everything sewed up and together, I'm going to turn them inside out and just take a look at how they came out. Mind you, once you stack your tights, you won't be able to notice where you sewed or connected them. Okay, for the bottom of your leggings, I decided to hem mine. I hem mine off camera. I'm going to come back and show you guys how they came out.